Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and I'm here to show you some origami. This week, I'm going to show you the flower pot, a way to collect all your flowers, everything I've shown you so far as well, possibly, or just to decorate the home, or even just for your pastime while you're at work. It's also a little bit of a commemoration to our lovely summer because we've got the equinox approaching, the time when both day and night become equal. And it's also the key point when the nights start getting longer and autumn begins. So we start seeing more tones of brown and orange all over the trees. And we get ready for the winter events and all these holidays. Some of you will have possibly gone back to school by now or gone back into the world of education. So I hope it's going to be a smooth start to the year. And let's hope this final quarter or third of the year, third, is going to be something we all enjoy. So to start, I'll be showing you with this lovely base from my first 3 videos. The crane, the lily, and the drip tray, I believe it was. And from here, it's quite a simple set of steps, quite similar to the star box. But first we need to do is this. See the centre line that's already framed? You just need to make sure you do a little bit of a fold inward. This one is just for your judgment, okay? So what I've done is I've turned the page over if you've only done the quick version for the square box and made sure there's a central line. Then I've made a judgment that leads a diagonal line from the base to the outside corner with the opening a bit larger, okay? Then I'm turning it over and copying the same style and make sure you meet the same point. Kind of like making a shield. Then you unfold and turn the pages. And refold those preliminary folds, because if you haven't guessed already, I'm trying to do a fold inward with these 4 corners we're making, or 4 sections, however you wish to what do you call it? Say them. Trying to think of a smarter word to say, but I don't think it's coming to me today. Right then, so from here, just choose one of them and then allow it to fold inward, and then close that page, okay? And do the exact same thing on every single one of them. All right. And there we have it. So every page, nice and clear. And all we now need to do is fold in one slight piece on every side, okay? Just as we did with the star box. Okay? Folding those inward. As you can see there. All right. Now I'll just do the rest of them, okay? And there we have it. So I now have 4 sides to each one, and this time So you fold each one down. Then we're going to tuck them into the centre. Okay. Alright, so you open it up, try and put a thumb on one of these little extra pieces, okay? There's that little fold we used to fold it inward. So it gets tucked in while you fold these down, okay? There you are. Then do it on exactly every single one of these, okay? Trying to hold on to the form as you do it, okay? Because what this does is these 4 little arrows that are going to be in the centre now are actually going to hold on to all the flowers. They're going to keep them steady. And as you can see, we're almost there. Kind of looks like a strawberry now. All we need to do now is just fold that upward, turn it over, fold it upward again, and then we can just open it up. Try not to let those straggle out. Okay, flatten it. This way, it will allow all of this to hold together. As I said originally, not as stable as some of the other forms you can use for holding plants or for decorative means, but it does have a very useful way of keeping every plant standing. As I can show you with this lovely one here, if you remember that one. Ooh. As you can see with the balance of weight sometimes. There we are. So this week's origami challenge is another way to commemorate our spring and summer with autumn on the way. I'm asking for you to just send a nice comment or even a message and just tell me what flower is your favourite flower. And all I'll do is see if I can make an origami guide on how to make one out of paper. Some of them are a little bit harder to make, but there's always a way to make something out of paper or through origami. As you know, when I made that nice bit of origami out of a crisp packet. A bit noisy, but still. So, I'm asking for everyone to tell me their favourite flower, and I will do my best to find an origami that can create them. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely evening, lovely afternoon, or if you're just waking up, a lovely morning. And I do hope the rest of your year goes as smoothly as the summer went. Well, I can only say so much, but let's just hope none of us have too many hangovers to talk about. And I hope to see you all again soon. Farewell.